Asana Project Management. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to asana.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you can create one by following the sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the homepage. On the left-hand side, look for the project section and click the plus button next to it to add a new project. Choose Blank Project to start from scratch, then enter your project name and click Continue. After that, select your preferred view, whether it's Gantt, calendar, or more, and click Create Project to proceed. When your project is set up, go to the Overview section and add a project description to help others understand the purpose and scope of the project. Once done, head back to the List section, where you can begin organizing your workflow. Start by creating a new section, give it a name, and begin adding tasks. For each task, enter its name, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. To add more details, simply double-click on the task. You'll be able to write a description, add subtasks, and even leave comments to make collaboration and task completion much easier.